Welcome to the world of Transform. The revolution begins with us. From the boardroom to the classroom, we change the atmosphere. Changes in orderings, changes in motivation. We matrix the enthused breeze into your cubicles. We bring change. We offer unique furnishings and inner architectural products designed to enhance the way people work and learn. We offer comfort, we offer motivation. We are Decor-x.
In last 12 years, we have seen a many competition in our trade. But when we started, there was no competition actually, but there was no knowledge about the modular furniture. And we have learned, we have created the market in last 12 years. And people have learned what is the benefit of using modular furniture.
At Decor-x, we believe in providing 360-degree solutions to our clients. Our team analyzes the requirements, understands the limitations, if any, and then ideate to come up with the best solution. We try to execute the plans to perfection, and our dedicated team members are always on their toes to ensure that the project is completed on time.
In last 12 years, I have made this brand Decor-x so successful in East India just because of my team.
We ensure that only high-quality raw materials are used in the production process, which offers durability and stability to the furniture. The materials are eco-friendly as well as cost-effective. Our furniture is made with high-quality pre-laminated particle board and MDF board, edge binding tape, aluminium extrusions, accessories, hardware with various articles and facades. We design and develop open-plan office systems for all kinds of corporate, MNCs and PSU offices. Open Office System offers high level of space optimization, greater transparency, better collaboration and effective performance. Our internationally appealing minimalistic design is both stylish and cost-effective. Scalability, flexibility, easy installation, shifting and reconfiguration are some of the advantages of modular furniture. Our works includes flooring, false ceiling, electricals and networking, wall treatment, pruning and painting. Decor-x is one of the largest manufacturers of modular furnitures in the eastern region. Our wide product range is available in various colors, styles, and finish takes care of most of your office requirements. We are committed to maintain a mutually beneficial business relationship with our clients. Our quality products and timely delivery has assisted us to maintain a network of clients. We cater to the industries such as call centers, banking, schools, logistics and hotels, etc. IBM Kolkata, Siemens Vi, Druck Air, PwC and many others. Some of the certification includes by 2022, we want a pan-India representation with Northeast as the junction. We follow you. We make you smile.